pancakes or crepes with me, Miss Raz. Shrove Tuesday, also known as Pancake Day, is a Christian festival celebrated the day before Lent or 47 days before Easter. During Lent, some Christians give up luxuries like chocolate. This is to remember when Jesus went to the desert for 40 days. Shrove Tuesday is the last feast. Anyway, ingredients for pancakes: 350 milliliters of milk, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 125 grams of flour, and butter to cook with. Method: whisk the milk and the eggs and the sugar, which is optional by the way, in a bowl, and then add the flour gradually until you get a really nice smooth mix. What I do is I decant my mixture into a jug so it's easier to pour onto the pan. Cooking: so you're going to grease your pan with that butter that we saved earlier. Add the batter to the middle of the pan and swirl the pan round until it reaches all the edges. Let it cook until the mixture looks dry. Once it looks dry, use a spatula to loosen the edges, and if you're brave enough, flip your pancake. Cook it for a further 2 minutes on the other side. And then once it looks like this, it's pretty much done. Yum! That is one. Now I've got a few more to go. Repeat the process until you run out of batter. To serve, I like lime and sugar with mine, so I've squeezed a fresh lime and then I put some icing sugar over the top to make it look beautiful. You could add stuff like maple syrup, golden syrup, lemon and sugar, fresh fruit, ice cream, or whatever you want really. Anyway, enjoy!